everyone and welcome back to What After Dentistry. Now today's video is really special for us because we are about to complete 1 year of our journey with this channel, and we have a small surprise for all of you about which I am going to talk about towards the end. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Now, talking about our journey first, it's been crazy and amazing at the same time. I still remember, I posted the very first video on 30th December 2020, where I introduced about this channel and what we are going to do and what we intend to do basically. And then from 10th of January 2021, we started posting videos regularly for you guys. So it's been really amazing. There's a lot of hard work that had went behind the camera to get industry experts, collect all the information and post a video for you guys. So yes, it's been really amazing. It's been crazy, and though we have not reached the milestones that we wanted to reach, that we had set for ourselves at the beginning, but I think we have somehow pulled it off and we are going in the right direction. And nowadays people have started recognizing this channel as What After Dentistry. Many industry experts also at times they reach out to us to conduct a session for all of you, so that they can also contribute and motivate you guys to do more and more in dentistry and healthcare. Earlier we used to get a lot of rejections, but now since there is acceptance of what we are trying to do and people are starting recognizing us, so thank you very much everyone, because this wasn't possible without your support and your engagement that you have been doing with our channel. So thank you everyone, all of you who have been regularly watching and engaging with our videos. Thank you very much. Now going forward, there's a small request from all of you. If you can see on my right, I have shared some channel statistics with you. So we do get a lot of good number of views on the channel on our videos, but if you see at the subscribers, that's not even 1/10. So guys, please subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free. This is the only way where we get motivated to do more and more, and this is something that we really need to keep going. So please subscribe to our channels. That's my humble request to all of you. And yes, of course, please share this new network. If you have any questions, you can always pin down in the comments so that we can look at your queries and we can answer as soon as possible. So now that was a little chit chat that I wanted to do with you guys before I start off with today's content. Now if you remember, at the start of this month, I had posted a video on what we intend to do, what are the plans ahead that we want to do with this channel and going forward in the year 2022. So with this video today, I'm going to introduce our products and services to you, and of course the small surprise for you that we have in store, which I'm going to talk about very soon. So number one, talking about the products. Now in today's time, there are two types of products. One is a physical product that you actually get in hand, and the second is a digital product that we have since everything is now going digitally. So we have both the types of products coming up for you guys. Talking about the digital products, we are going to offer you courses and workshops which will revolve around dentistry and healthcare. These are important small workshops, like 3 days or 5 days workshop, which will be held so that you get aware of what is happening in the industry. Talking about the courses, as you all know that we already have a certificate course in health informatics, for which we already completed a batch in April 21, and now we are going to start off the batches in full swing from January. So please start enrolling in this course. It is definitely going to help you out. If you want more details on the certificate course in health informatics, then do reach out to us on our mail ID, or you can mention your query in the comment section so that we can reply, or we can answer your questions as soon as possible. So that's one. The second thing is, as I mentioned, workshops. We already completed a 3-day workshop on soft skills in dentistry. Now these soft skills are the communication skills, the time management skills, the productivity, and so on and so forth. These are very small little skills that are actually needed to enhance yourself as a professional. This will help you to also grow your practice and effectively manage your practice. So if you are someone who would like to learn more about the soft skills, I have created a simple one-pager site for you guys where you can understand what the soft skills are. Why is it important to learn soft skills? What are the soft skills that we intend to cover? What we intend to cover in the workshop, what we are going to offer you in the workshop, and the testimonials of our previous participants. So do have a look at the workshop at the page, and then if you are someone who would like to enroll in the workshop, please do so. Apart from this, we are also coming up with 3-day workshops on NABH accreditation and dental tourism. So once we have everything ready for these 2 workshops, I'll definitely roll out the details to you guys so that you can enroll for these 2 workshops as well. So as of now, digital products where we provide courses on health informatics and workshops on soft skills, NABH accreditation and dental tourism. Talking about the physical products, we are also coming up with some dental study models and dental consumables for you guys at a very reasonable price. So Dr. Vipin is in the process of finalizing the models and the consumables that needs to be showcased. So once I have them in my hand, I will definitely be creating a separate video altogether so that I can introduce, we can introduce these physical products to you. And if any one of you wants to avail the study models or the consumables, you can definitely reach out to us. So these are the products that we intend to provide going forward. Now talking about the services, there are 2 services that we are planning to start off with. One is providing consultancies to dental clinics or graduates who want to learn about electronic dental records or want to implement dental IT products in their clinics. So if you're one of those who still have a dilemma of what kind of dental record system or a dental IT product I should use, then please do reach out to us. We will be happy to help you and guide you through that process of selecting a electronic dental record. Second service that we intend to provide is website development. Many dentists are now looking to have their own website where they can showcase their services, they can showcase or their information, their knowledge to the population, where the population can read through and understand what are the different types of services provided, what are the treatment options for a particular problem. Patients can connect with the doctors and so on and so forth. So if you're one of those who intend to build a website of yours, then please do reach out to us on our mail ID contact.whatafterdentistry@gmail.com. So that's it, guys. With this video, I wanted to share the journey that we had, and I wanted to introduce the products and services to you guys. And of course, now is the time of the surprise that I mentioned at the beginning of the video. So the surprise is that we are hosting a small giveaway contest for you guys. For this contest, you just have to click on the link which is there in the description box below. Once you click on the link, it will ask you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done yet, and also follow our Instagram page. So you need to complete these 2 steps. Send in your details, the name and the email ID. Once we receive your details, we will then ask you for your phone number and your address, where we are going to send away the giveaway goodies. Now, what are these giveaway goodies? So these are the 2 diaries that I have with me. These are 2022 diaries that we plan to roll out for you guys. This, I'm sure it's going to help you for jotting down your next year plans or any notes or anything. So any one of you who wants to avail these diaries and wants to be a part of our giveaway contest, make sure that you subscribe and you follow our page. Send in your details by clicking on the link in the description box. Once I receive the details, I will ask you for the details where we can send these 2 giveaway goodies to you. So yeah, these are the 2 diaries that we have. These are very cute little small diaries, and I'm sure you're going to like them. So that's it for today, and I hope to receive more and more support and engagement from you guys. And thank you very much for this amazing journey of an year that we had with this channel. So thank you very much. Send in your queries. If anyone of you wants to enroll in any of the courses or workshops or want to avail our services, reach out to us on our mail ID. We'll be definitely happy to help. And of course, please please participate in the giveaway. This is a small token of gratitude that we have towards you guys. So thank you everyone once again. It's really special, and it's amazing. So thank you very much. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye.